2020 paper. A container of 5 liter capacity was completely filled with a soft drink. Okay, the bottle was completely filled with 5 liters soft drink. That is the total. Then 3 upon 10 of this amount was used to serve drinks. Okay, let's draw the diagram to split the fractions. Okay, from the total was from that 10 upon 3 was used to serve the visitors. Okay, this is for serving, serve drinks. This portion was used to serve. What fraction of the capacity of container was the amount of soft drink remaining after using the portion to serve the drinks? Okay, what's the remaining? After serving, what's the remaining? Okay, what's the remaining? How can we find the remaining? From total 10 portion, 3 portions were used. So remaining would be 10 over 7. This is our remaining fraction. Okay, this would be our remaining fraction. How can we find this? Okay, total 10 upon 10. Total 10 upon 10. From that, the portion we used to serve, that is 3 upon 10. When you subtract this, that will give you 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10. That's how we found that. Okay, no need to write like this. Okay, but in this question, you should write like this to represent your answer. But when you're drawing that in your fraction skeleton, okay, diagram, in that you can directly input that answer. From 10, 3 was served. What's the remaining? 7 portions. No, that's how we need to mark. Then, furthermore, there is a division. Let's read. 5.7 of the soft drink remaining in the container was poured into a bottle. Okay, from the remaining 5 upon 7 was poured into a bottle. Okay, into a bottle. This portion belongs to a bottle. What fraction of the capacity of container? Okay, after this also there is a amount of remaining, no, not the total one used to pour in the bottle. Okay, a fraction was used. So after this also we have a remaining. To find that remaining, what do we need to do? It's easy. From 7, 5 portions poured into bottle. So remaining from 7 minus 5, that would be 2. 7 over 2, that would be our remaining fraction. Then let's approach the question. 5.7. Okay. Here our question. What fraction of the capacity of container was the amount of soft drink left in the container after that? What fraction of the capacity of the container was the amount of soft drink left in the container after that? Okay, after serving and after poured into bottle, there's a remaining. No, they're asking the remaining in total fraction. Not only this one. Okay, not only this one. According to the total's fraction. So to find the remaining, we have to come across this way. From total to this remaining. From this remaining, amount of remaining furthermore. So to find that one, container. Fraction of the container. Okay, left. Yeah, I'll use the name left. Okay, we use the same remaining likewise. Not good. Okay, I'll use left, the word left. There is an amount of remaining. Okay, after that, from that, some portion poured into a bottle. Then after, there is a left. Okay, there is some amount of soft drink left in that container. That was this. They are asking this one respect to the total fraction. So we have to come across this way. Left soft drink 7 upon 10 of, okay, of multiplied with 2 upon 7. Multiplied with 2 upon 7. 7 and 7 can be simplified 1 time. 5 and 2 can be simplified 1 time, 5 times. So the fraction would be 1 upon 5. For the total 1 upon 5 portion left in the container. Now, more soft drink was added in to the amount of soft drink in the container until that amount, the container was exactly half of the capacity. Express the amount of soft drink pour into the container in liters. Okay. The wordings, they used a difficult wordings. I'll explain that in simple words. what they told. Now more soft drink was, okay. Now there's a portion of soft drink was remaining. Let's find the portion of remaining. Okay, left soft drink. Let's find the quantity of left soft drink. That is 1 upon 5. 1 upon 5, that's the fraction. But we know the total, that means the denominator is indicating 5 liters. Denominator is indicating 5 liters. So 5 multiplied with 1, 5. Likewise, the left amount also, we can find the left amount of quantity of soft drink in the container, that is 1 liter. Okay, only 1 liter of the soft drink remaining in that container. We found the left amount of soft drink in the container. Now our task is we are going to add some more amount of soft drink into the container to make it as exactly half of the container. We are going to fill that until it reach half portion of the container. Until it reach half of the container, we are adding some amount of soft drink. Okay, I'll read the caption again. Just try to understand this. More soft drink was added to the amount of soft drink in the container until the amount in the container was exactly half the capacity of the container. Express the amount of soft drinks poured into the container in liters. Okay, so we need to pour some amount of soft drink into that bottle, no? So we need to find that's value. Okay, half means total 5 liters. Okay, total 5 liters. Half means 2.5 liters. 2.5 liters. That's the quantity of half of this container. We already have 1 liter remaining. We have only already 1 liter, no? So from the half of the container, you should subtract. Already we have 1 liter. When you subtract this, that will give you 1.5 liter. This is the quantity we have to add to get half filled container. Half filled container. First of all, they were given there is a 5 liter capacity. Okay, 5 liter container that's filled of soft drink. From that, 3 upon 10 portion was used to serve drinks. Okay, we used this amount. Okay, this amount of soft drink to serve. So the remaining would be 10 upon 7. We found the remaining. Then after this remaining, from that 5 upon 7 portion was used to pour into a bottle. So from this 5 upon 7 was poured into a bottle. After that, there is an amount of soft drink left. No, we found its respective fraction from 7 portion, 5 portion into bottle. So remaining 2. That's how we found. Now the question, capacity of container was the amount soft drink. After that, okay, after what's the quantity of soft drink left after serving and after pour into bottle? So they are asking about this from the total amount of soft drinks. So you should multiply these two fractions, 7 upon 10 into 2 upon 7. So we can simplify this. That will give you 1 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 is the left portion we have in that container. We know the total container. Total means the denominator is always indicating the total. Okay. So this 5 is indicating 5 liters. So one portion only we have now. So this one will indicate 1 liter. Only 1 liter left in our container. But our task is we are going to add some amount of soft drink into that bottle to get half filled container. What is half of 5? Half of 5 is 2.5. Okay. 2.5 liter we need to fill. 2.5 liter is the quantity of half of that container. We need to fill pour some soft drink into that container to get half filled. So 2.5 liter is our goal to fill up. We already have 1 liter with ourselves. Left amount is 1 upon 5. That would be 1 liter. So we need to fill this amount. We already have 1 liter. When you subtract that, this is the quantity of soft drink we need. We need more to fill up that until it reaches half of the capacity of the container.